Hey everyone, welcome to our Flipgrid tutorial number 2 for our Flipgrid number 2 Found Sound series. Now just a few things that I've noticed about our first one. Some, not all of you, some of you had your found sound object and it was below or off screen, so I couldn't see what you were hitting on. Even though I can see you, that's great. So make sure that you and your object is both on camera. So you may want to change your Chromebook position, put it on a stand or some kind of book or something safe. Or you may want to raise your chair up or lower it. Or you may want to stand or sit on a stool instead of a chair. Figure it out. You're smart. I am sure you are capable of making sure that both you and the item is in view when you hit that record button on Flipgrid. Now I was originally going to use my knuckle, but that kind of hurts. So I'm going to use a pen and tap on it. Now today we're going to do this on a steady beat. Let's just count to 4 over and over again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on and so forth. I'm going to turn on my drum looper and then we'll begin maintaining a steady beat with our found object. So before you start, you're going to give yourself 4 counts out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's pretty much it. Now let me show you. I'm going to grab another object just to give you some variety, some more examples. Okay? Okay, I am back and I have a box of cables. It's pretty loud, so I'm going to do it very quietly so you can hear the drum. Alright, same thing. We're just going to shake it. So this is my found object and I'm going to shake it. Remember, whatever object and however you're playing it, gotta do it according to the drum pattern, but maintaining a steady beat. So it's like 4 quarter notes. Ta, 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 like that. Give yourself 4 counts out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you see that my object is in view of the camera. That's pretty much it. So today is not too hard, but it's gonna get harder and more fun. I'm just helping you do this step by step, okay? Today is about maintaining a steady beat on your found sound. Same rule applies. Don't be too close or too far of your Chromebook microphone. And also make sure that you have good lighting in front of your face. Not just behind you, but in front of you is the most important. So you may want to do it in front of a window, but probably not when the sun is too bright. Okay, alright, good luck.